Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron using a steamer. First, ensure your steamer's water tank is filled with distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. Next, hang your garment on a sturdy hanger, ensuring it's free from obstructions. Plug in your steamer and allow it to heat up fully. This typically takes about 60 seconds. You'll know it's ready when a consistent stream of steam is produced. Once your steamer is ready, hold the nozzle 1 to 2 inches away from the fabric. Begin steaming from the top of the garment, moving the nozzle in a slow, vertical motion downwards. Use your free hand to gently pull the fabric taut as you steam. This helps to smooth out wrinkles more effectively and ensures the steam penetrates the fibers evenly. For delicate fabrics like silk or rayon, steam from the inside of the garment to protect the material. If you encounter particularly stubborn wrinkles, hold the steamer over the area for 5 to 10 seconds, then gently pull the fabric. Always allow your freshly steamed garments to cool and dry completely before wearing them to prevent new wrinkles from forming. To maintain your steamer, always empty the water reservoir after each use to prevent mineral buildup. For optimal performance, descale your steamer every 3 to 6 months using a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water. This keeps it running efficiently. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.